see a lot of folks where we go into the house and they've been living with a situation that they don't even notice anymore, that if someone else walked in would say, oh my gosh, we got to handle this right away.
One of our clients had a home filled with exposed wires, which posed a safety risk. They had had this issue for many, many years, but were not able to afford repairs. The program went in and safely repaired the exposed electrical outlets. This client also needed to have some minor repairs done on their porch to make it accessible for their home. Our partners who run this program are Brothers Redevelopment Inc. And they are a nonprofit based in Denver that operates many home repair programs.
We just know that there's an aging population, there's folks that have owned their homes for many years, and a lot of those folks want to stay in their homes, but they have to make decisions between food and medicine and repairing their house and keeping basic systems running. So we want to provide a little bit of help there, and the city's jumped on board and is addressing that with us.
Qualifying projects include safety or code compliance issues, such as electrical or plumbing problems, tree limb removal, sidewalk or porch repairs, and more. To qualify, you need to be a low to moderate income senior or resident with disability in need of some simple home repairs.
We administer the program for the City of Arvada, and they fund all the projects, but we do all the assessment, we perform to complete the projects.
One of the greatest benefits of our programs with Brothers Redevelopment is that they allow our Arvada residents to age safely in their homes. This helps residents to stay in their homes for as long as possible, which really stabilizes the neighborhood.
If we can do anything to help them stay in their home with more safety, more comfort and independence, then mission accomplished.
To learn more about the program, you can visit brothersredevelopment.org and apply directly on their website.